Hi YouTube, I'm back. It's Fifi in the city, aka Felicia. And don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Of course, excuse my red fingers. I was eating hot Cheetos last night. Was being a fat ass. Well, a big bag. I love me some hot Cheetos though, especially the extra flaming hot though. But anyway, back to this video. So I'm gonna do a Christmas present that I bought for myself, and I bought. Excuse my voice, I'm a little under the weather. But I bought myself a Nintendo Switch 2. And here we go. So, okay. Here's the case that I got off Amazon. I didn't think this shit was gonna be so big. It got the little pocket. It got the little pocket for my games because I think I have like 5 games already. I need to buy some more though. Here's a little strap. Okay, onto the console because that's what we're here for, right? So here we go. So let's see. So we have the the screen, which is freaking massive, and they have the little oh shit, and they have the little stand. Oh shit, it go all the way up there. I didn't know that. And there's the SD card that I bought. And then and then here's the controllers. I love the fact that they're magnetic now, and they really hold on the game. And you have blue. So let's see. Let's connect it. Okay, so that's connected. Okay, so here are here's the pamphlet for the Nintendo Switch 2. Here is the HDMI cord to plug into the back of your TV. And then here are the things to put on your Joy-Cons so you can play either single or with another person. I think, but I'm not sure though. Don't quote me. But they're so pretty though, right? They're so pretty. They're orange. They're like a coral orange. And this is a pretty blue too. Like super pretty. And then they have like the string for you to put it around your wrist. So yeah. Okay, so now let's get on. This is the box, the thing that the console and shit came in, the controllers and all that other stuff. Okay, now let's get on to the accessories. So, okay, so you have this, the one that comes with the original Nintendo Switch 1. Um, let's see. Oh, you have the cord. Oh, you have the cord. Um, it is Type C. Um, both of them are Type C. So there's that. What else? Oh, and you have the. This fucking block is heavy as shit. You could throw this shit at somebody. It'll fuck them up. Okay, so this is This is the dock for the Nintendo Switch 2. Let's see. Oh shit, did I put it the other way? I think I need to put it the other way. Do I? Oh shit. Do I need to put it the other way? But anyway, I hope you have a great year this year and love yourself. And I'll be back with another video. Bye.